Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Decide a clear goal and emotional arc before you shoot or edit. Outline 3 to 5 key beats that show progression and change. Aim for a montage length of 30 to 90 seconds for impact and pacing. Choose a 16:9 frame and shoot at 24 FPS for a cinematic look and consistent motion. Plan 8 to 12 shots that represent each beat and collect coverage at close, medium, and wide distances. Capture 8 to 12 shots with close, medium, and wide coverage for each beat of your arc. Use camera movement, subject motion, and contrast to show change in skill or mood between shots. Record extra ambient and sync audio so you can layer realistic sound effects in the edit. Vary focal lengths and composition to avoid repetition and keep visual interest high throughout the montage sequence. Choose music that supports your emotional arc and tempo. Match edits to beats between 120 and 140 BPM when energetic. Use 2 to 4 cuts per second for faster sequences and slow to 1 cut every 0.5 to 1 second for reflective moments. Layer rising instrumentation, Foley, and motivational sound design to build momentum. Apply a consistent color grade and adjust
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.